Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word: increment. Spelling: increment. Meaning: an amount by which something increases or grows, the act or process of increasing. Synonyms: increase, gain, addition. Antonyms: decrease, reduction, loss. Usage: the company offers an annual increment of $300 in salary. You may make deposits in increments of $500. Word: incumbent. Spelling: incumbenT. Meaning: holding an indicated position, role, office, etc., currently, obligatory. Synonyms: current, present, existing. Antonyms: former, past, previous. Usage: the incumbent officers of the club are responsible for organizing the event. It is incumbent upon me to attend the meeting. Word: indigent. Spelling: indigent. Meaning: experiencing want or need, impoverished, lacking. Synonyms: poor, needy, impoverished. Antonyms: wealthy, affluent, rich. Usage: the charity distributed food to indigent families. The indigent community relies heavily on government assistance. Word: indignation. Spelling: indignation. Meaning: a feeling of shock and anger when you think that something is unjust or unfair. Synonyms: anger, resentment, rage. Antonyms: calm, serenity, peace. Usage: she was filled with indignation at the conditions under which miners were forced to work. The public expressed indignation over the government's handling of the crisis. Word: indolent. Spelling: indolent. Meaning: characterized by a tendency to avoid work, exertion, or activity, often due to a preference for ease and comfort. Synonyms: lazy, idle, sluggish. Antonyms: active, diligent, industrious. Usage: the students were scolded for their indolent behavior in class. He had become indolent after years of not having to work hard. Word: ineffable. Spelling: ineffable. Meaning: beyond the capacity of words to adequately describe or express. Synonyms: inexpressible, unspeakable, unutterable. Antonyms: expressible, describable. Usage: he felt an ineffable sense of oneness with nature. The beauty of the sunset was ineffable, leaving us all speechless. Word: inept. Spelling: inept. Meaning: lacking skill or competence, clumsy. Synonyms: incompetent, clumsy, unskilled. Antonyms: skilled, competent, adept. Usage: the inept handling of the project led to its failure. He was an inept dancer, often tripping over his own feet. Word: inexorable. Spelling: inexorable. Meaning: unyielding or unrelenting, impossible to persuade or move by entreaty. Synonyms: unyielding, unrelenting, implacable. Antonyms: yielding, flexible, lenient. Usage: the inexorable forces of nature cannot be stopped. She was inexorable in her decision, refusing to change her mind. Word: inextricable. Spelling: inextricable. Meaning: so intricate or entangled as to make escape impossible, cannot be disentangled or untied. Synonyms: entangled, intricate, inescapable. Antonyms: simple, straightforward, escapable. Usage: the inextricable web of deceit was hard to unravel. They found themselves in an inextricable situation, with no clear way out. Word: infamy. Spelling: infamy. Meaning: the state of being well known for something bad. Synonyms: disrepute, shame, notoriety. Antonyms: fame, honor, reputation. Usage: the politician's scandal led to infamy and the end of his career. The company's infamy for poor customer service spread quickly. Word: ingenious. Spelling: ingenious. Meaning: cleverly inventive or resourceful, skillful. Synonyms: inventive, resourceful, clever. Antonyms: unimaginative, uncreative, inept. Usage: the ingenious solution to the puzzle impressed everyone. She was known for her ingenious designs that combined functionality and aesthetics. Word. Inhibit. Spelling, inhibit. Meaning, to restrain, hinder, or prevent something. Synonyms: hinder, stop, prevent. Antonyms: encourage, facilitate, promote. Usage: sugary drinks inhibit digestion. The high cost of borrowing is inhibiting investment by industry in new equipment. Word. Inimical. Spelling, inimical. Meaning, harmful, hostile, or unfavorable to a particular person, group, idea, or situation. Synonyms: hostile, adverse, harmful. Antonyms: friendly, favorable, beneficial. Usage: the new policy is inimical to the interests of small businesses. The harsh weather conditions were inimical to the success of the outdoor event. Word. Innocuous. Spelling, innocuous. Meaning, not harmful or injurious, harmless. Synonyms: harmless, benign, inoffensive. Antonyms: harmful, dangerous, offensive. Usage: the movie was innocuous and suitable for all ages. The doctor assured us that the procedure was innocuous and would not cause any pain. Word. Inoculate. Spelling, inoculate. Meaning, to introduce an antigenic substance or vaccine into the body to produce immunity to a specific disease. Synonyms: immunize, vaccinate. Antonyms: infect, contaminate. Usage: the doctor inoculated the child against measles. The new vaccine will inoculate people against the flu virus. Word. Insatiable. Spelling, insatiable. Meaning, having an intense and unquenchable appetite, desire, or craving that cannot be satisfied or fulfilled. Synonyms: unquenchable, unrelenting, persistent. Antonyms: satisfied, content, fulfilled. Usage: the company's insatiable drive for profit sometimes overshadowed ethical considerations. Her insatiable curiosity led her to explore various fields of study. Word. Insinuate. Spelling, insinuate. Meaning, to suggest or hint slyly, to instill or infuse subtly or artfully. Synonyms: imply, suggest, hint. Antonyms: state directly, assert openly. Usage: he insinuated that they were lying. The article insinuated that the president was involved in the scandal. Word. Insipid. Spelling, insipid. Meaning, lacking flavor, vitality, or interest, dull, bland, or unexciting. Synonyms: dull, bland, uninteresting. Antonyms: vibrant, exciting, flavorful. Usage: the lecture was insipid and failed to hold the attention of the audience. The insipid movie lacked any real plot or character development. Word. Insolent. Spelling, insolent. Meaning, boldly disrespectful in speech or behavior, impertinent, impudent. Synonyms: impertinent, impudent, arrogant. Antonyms: respectful, polite, courteous. Usage: his insolent attitude towards his superiors was unacceptable. The insolent remarks made by the politician sparked outrage. Word. Insurgent. Spelling, insurgent. Meaning, engaged in rebellion or revolt, rebellious. Synonyms: rebellious, revolutionary, seditious. Antonyms: loyal, obedient, compliant. Usage: the insurgent group launched a surprise attack on the government forces. The city was plagued by insurgent violence for years. Word. Interject. Spelling, interject. Meaning, to insert or put something between other things, especially to interrupt or intervene in a conversation or situation. Synonyms: interpose, inject, insert. Antonyms: omit, exclude, remove. Usage: she interjected a comment during the meeting to clarify a point. He tried to interject a joke to lighten the mood, but it fell flat. Word. Interlocutor. Spelling, interlocutor. Meaning, a person who takes part in a conversation or dialogue, especially in a formal or official setting. Synonyms: conversationalist, talker, speaker. Antonyms: audience, hearer, listener. Usage: the diplomat served as an interlocutor between the two countries during the negotiations. In the interview, the journalist acted as an interlocutor to facilitate the discussion. Word: intractable. Spelling: intractable. Meaning: extremely difficult to manage, control, or resolve due to its stubborn, unyielding, or resistant nature. Synonyms: stubborn, unyielding, resistant. Antonyms: manageable, tractable, cooperative. Usage: the intractable behavior of the employee led to disciplinary action. The intractable conflict between the two nations has lasted for decades. Word: intransigent. Spelling: intractable. Meaning: refusing to compromise or change one's attitude or position, especially in a stubborn or unyielding manner. Synonyms: uncompromising, stubborn, obstinate. Antonyms: flexible, compromising, cooperative. Usage: the intransigent politician refused to negotiate with the opposition. The intransigent stance of the company led to a breakdown in negotiations. Word: inure. Spelling: inure. Meaning: to make someone or something accustomed to something unpleasant or difficult, often through repeated exposure. Synonyms: accustom, habituate, desensitize. Antonyms: sensitize, soften, weaken. Usage: the soldier was inured to the harsh conditions of the battlefield. The city dweller was inured to the noise and chaos of urban life. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.